Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to get alpha Pokémon in Legends Arceus. Move slowly through high-level zones and study spawn points where alphas appear frequently. Use stealth by crouching and throwing berries or rocks to set up perfect sneak strikes. Prioritize nets and heavy balls for captures, and bring healing items because alphas hit harder than normal Pokémon during open encounters. Warm up by scouting biomes that match the Pokémon types you want, then watch their patrol paths for consistent alpha spawns. Pay attention to weather and time of day because those conditions can trigger rare alpha appearances. Bring items that attract or distract so you can control engagement timing. Patience rewards you with easier captures and better drops, so keep notes on reliable locations for repeat farming sessions. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: pick up leak-proof meal prep containers to keep snacks and potions secure while you explore long sessions. They pack neatly into backpacks and save time between hunts. They're great for bringing drinks and meals on the go, and they clean easily after messy berry mixes, so check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Approach slowly and use the environment to your advantage by hiding behind rocks or tall grass before engaging. Begin with a stealth strike to soften the alpha, then back off and throw status effects like sleep or paralysis before attempting capture. Keep your party healed and ready to subdue aggressive alphas, and swap to a heavy ball or net when their health is low to maximize capture probability and minimize wasted resources on escapes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.